Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send and receive money over text on iPhone Apple Pay. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to open the Messages app, then start a new conversation or tap on existing one. And then just tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then just tap Apple Cash and then enter the amount you want to send to that person like this, and then just click on tap send and tap the send button to receive or cancel the payment, and then just click the double side button to pay, and then you just have to confirm your payment with your Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. So it's that simple guys. You just have to click on the bottom left corner of the screen on the plus icon, put in your amount after selecting Apple Cash, and this is how you can send money through messages on an iPhone or iPad device. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful guys. If you did, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.